Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to fix app is not download from Google Play Store. Yes, it was a major error in Android mobiles. Now I'm going to check right now. I'm opening and click install option. You can see now it's loading right now, waiting for download. It's loading right now. It's not installing, so I'm going back. Now after going back, go to setting option. In this, slightly scroll down, you can see app setting is there. Yes, click it and go to manage app. The second option you can see now, click it. Wait for a couple of seconds. After that, here you can see Google Play Store is there. The fourth option, click it. And here you can see clear data is there. And bottom side, click clear data. And click clear all data. After clearing all data, go back. And you can see about phone is there. Click it. This one, the first option, click it. After clicking this, you can see storage option is there. Click the storage option, and here you can see the cached data is there, the fourth option. Click cached data and clear it. Yes, after clearing this, go back. And now you can check it out. Go to Play Store and select any application. Click it and now click install option. Now you can see after coming inside, it will be loaded right now. Yes, it's loading right now. You can see it's downloading right now. So this is how to fix this error. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.